So welcome back to the YouTube channel, and tonight we'll be talking about one of the greatest coach in track and field from Jamaica. Coach Stephen Francis Frano recently made a statement about Jamaica hopes at the Paris Olympic 2024. He talks about um, the medals Jamaica will win at the Paris Olympic 2024. And in this video, I will play I'll share with you everything Coach Stephen Francis Frano said about Jamaica getting a gold medal and dominating at the Paris Olympic. So before I do that, in case this happens to be your first time here, do me a favor to first like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Now, in case you don't know, this man called you're seeing on your screen is called Coach Stephen Francis Frano. He is one of the greatest coach on earth. He has coached people like Shelly and Fraser, Elaine, Thomson, Herah, some of the greatest sprinter you have ever seen in the whole wide world. So definitely when you hear him speak, you have to listen. When Coach Stephen Frano speaks, people listen. Yes, that is just one good thing about him. When he speaks, people all around the world listen. And that's because he has what
Disastrous
it
as some
takes.
people seem to think. I think we will be able to get medals in a lot of sprint events. Disastrous as some people seem to think. I think we will be able to get medals in a lot of sprint events. Women, and with men, hopefully Parchment and Broadbell comes on, but they have the ability to come on. The Rochelle and the other hurdlers are certainly leading the fight for the bronze medal in the 4 hurdles, and we're always hoping that Sha'carri Ricketts will recapture her form. And we have, of course, 3 long jumpers. So
And that was Coach Stephen Francis Fran, one of the biggest and greatest Jamaican sprinter, predicting the future of Paris Olympic and how Jamaicans are going to perform. He said that Jamaica will have a very good chance of dominating when it comes to the sprinting event, and there is no doubt about that because we all know that Jamaica is stacked up with good sprinters in both 100, 200, 400, and also the 4x100 meters, right? They have a very good chance of dominating in the sprinting event. So in case you are doubting Coach Stephen Francis Frano, let me shock your memory because this man you're seeing right here is the coach that coach Elaine Thomson, the fastest woman alive. So when you see him speak, believe him. He knows what he is talking about. He is well experienced and he seems to know the outcomes of major competitions. Now, do you believe in Coach Stephen Francis Frano prediction about Jamaica taking over the sprinting event at the Paris Olympic 2024? Or do you feel like he's actually wrong? Or you feel like he's actually right? Let me hear your own opinion. Do you feel like Jamaica would dominate in the sprinting, considering the fact that we have the United States of America? And this time around, it seems like some major African countries are coming up and taking over also. So let me hear your opinions and do not forget to like and also subscribe to the YouTube channel.